This is a question from the comments. Number 1, Jonathan writes, when you've got a standard-sized repeatable mold case like a cup, why don't you make a securing ring out of another instead of using rubber bands? That's a good question. I do prefer to use rubber bands, and here's why. The big advantage of rubber bands is I can see the parting line, and if necessary, I can massage it and push it and make sure that it's nice and tight, because if the parting line is really tight on the outside, there's a really good chance it's going to be tight and clean on the inside. This is the exact same kind of cup that made this mold. They come in a package like this. You would think they'd be perfectly identical, right? They're not. The first thing we have to do is modify the cup, and that's not that easy to do, quite frankly. These cups are hard to cut. Rubber bands are faster, simpler, and easier.